Hello everyone, my name is Anika and welcome back to the Home Automation X channel. Thank you so much for watching. So we received all of these products in the mail and we are going to do a unboxing in front of you guys. As usual, we are giving away everything in this video, so check out the links down below and see how you can be entered. Everything in this video can be yours. All you need to do is to be subscribed to the channel, which will give you a chance to win everything. We could keep these products, but it's our choice to give them away to you guys. There is no purchase necessary and you only need to be subscribed. However, if you want to support our channel, you can do so on our Patreon page, which will also give you access to our videos in advance and exclusive content like our bloopers. You only need to enter our contest once and you're good for all future unboxings. So we will pick our winner from the growing pool of entries. Click on the link in the description box below to get the details on how you can win all of these products. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start with the first box here. Now I'm going to be looking at my wonderful cheat sheet. As I do this, we're going to start with this box. Got my X-Acto knife ready to go. All right, so this is the retro clock. This is the alarm clock mount stand, and we already did a dedicated video on this, guys. So if you want to learn more about this product, you can definitely check that out in the rest of our videos. So this is by Google, and it is a unique retro alarm clock design. It makes your Google Home Mini look adorable, and it is perfectly fit for decorating your householder. Very sleek and stylish, and I can show you guys from the inside how it looks. Now this is definitely a nice versatile color because it's black, and it comes with all the different pieces. We show you guys how to assemble this, so make sure you guys check out our video if you would like to learn more on that. Alright guys, so here is a little example of how it looks after it is assembled. Now this is the white one. You can check out that link right over here and see how you can do that. We're going to go into our second box right over here. And what do we have here? Okay, so we have the HS3 wireless Bluetooth headphones. It's by Origem and it has rotatable ear hooks. I'm going to go ahead and take it out before I continue to yap on. This is how the packaging looks from the inside. Very fun and cool. And I'm going to open it up to show you guys. So let me just show you guys one of the ear hooks here. So it's got the rotatable ear hooks. They rotate just like that, fit snug on your ears. And it's also got the graphene driver for awesome clear sound. It's got it's great for working out, great for the gym and running because it stays on your ears. It comes with this little pack for, you know, traveling. You can throw it in there. Super cute and small. And I'll just show you guys quickly what's in here. We got 3 different sizes of earbuds for small people, for people who are small like me and have small ears. We also got the USB charger on that side as well. And so that is pretty cool. We also did a dedicated video on that. I don't know if I already said it. So if you guys want to check that out and learn more about that product, definitely check out the link down below. Now we are on to our third giveaway gift here. Oops, I think I kind of cut the box. Okay. So, what do we have here? Okay. We have the compatible Fitbit Versa leather straps by UMaxGet. Now these Fitbits special edition bands are made from genuine leather with stainless steel buckle for women and for men. And they have a pink one, as you can see, and they've also got a brown one for all of our males out there. So that's super cute. And what do we have here? Number 4. Make sure if you guys want to enter to win these products, you check out the link down below. You enter once and you are able to enter for all future giveaways, and that way automatically entered in all future giveaways. Ugh, come out. Woo. Okay, so just making sure my nails are okay, you know, getting vacation ready here. Hurt myself. So this is the 1080p Wi-Fi camera by Nui, and it can rotate 355 degrees horizontally and 94 degrees vertically, together with its camera's 101 degrees field view, providing you with the full protection that you need. So as you can see, it's got pan and tilt right over here, and that's by Nui. And number 5. What is in number 5? Ooh, okay. All right, so we actually already did a dedicated video on this as well. So if you want to check out that, the link is down below. This is the pack of 4 Sonif Basic R2 10A Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Light Switch, a universal DIY module for smart home automation. Do you see why I need my notes here? Because I can definitely not remember that. So it comes with a pack of 4, guys, and we have a video link on that, how that works, how you can put it together. I'll give you a full demonstration. Now this one feels very special. We gotta save the best for last. And let's see what we got here. Oh, we got our HomeAutomationX t-shirts. Support us, guys. We appreciate every one of you guys. So we wanted to give this to you so you could rock us and represent. I hope that all you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish you all the best of luck. All the links are down below for all of these products, and don't forget to click on the link below for the details on how to win. This is not the end of the video, so don't go anywhere, guys. I ask that you please share this video if you found it useful. Also, there are these videos here on the side that you can check out. The video on the top is our most recent one, and the one below is the one that I recommend just for you. Please click on either one and check them out. So I'll see you guys next time, and I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you so much.